How are you? Good afternoon. Oh, good afternoon, Arisha. How are you? Hi. Good afternoon, Arisha. How are you? Okay, everybody, we have a newcomer with us. Arisha, say hello to Arisha. Everybody, please say hello to Arisha. How are you? Oh, that's very good. That's very nice. Arisha, would you like to say something to the class, to your classmates? Can you please tell us something about yourself, your age, your name? My name is Arisha. Very good. And how old are you? Okay. That's very nice, Arisha. Welcome to the class, Arisha. Okay, Kartikesh and Maham, how was your weekend? How was the weekend? Nice. What about you, Maham? Nice. And Arisha, what about you? How's your weekend? Mine was great. I went for the hiking. Yes. Okay, you went to the swimming pool at this weekend. Wow, that's great. What about you, Kartikesh? Did you go anywhere on the weekend? Okay, and what about you, Arisha? Did you go somewhere on the weekend? Yes or no? Oh, it's okay. It's totally fine. You will be used to the class. Okay, you know, Maham. Oh, that's great. Arisha is your friend, Maham? Is she your family friend? Okay, okay, you go to her home. That's so good. Okay, so, okay, okay. Let's start our circle time. So tell me, how many days in a week? 7 days. Show me your 7 fingers. All of you, show me your 7 fingers. 7 days. There are 7 days. Let's name them. Sunday there is Monday. Tuesday there is Wednesday. Thursday there is Friday. Thursday there is Friday. There's Saturday. Days of the week. 7 days of the week. How many days in a week? 7 days. Sunday there is Monday. Tuesday there is Wednesday. Thursday there is Friday. There's Saturday. Days of the week. 7 days of the week. There are 7 days of a week. Okay, how many months in a year? 12 months. Very good. Name them. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, and December. These are the months of the year. 12 months in a year. How many months in a year? 12 months. Okay, now let's name them again. January, February, March and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Very good. Well done. How many seasons are there? Well done, Maham. 4 seasons. There are 4 seasons. Winter. Very good. Winter, summer, spring, autumn. There are 4 seasons. Summer, winter, spring, autumn. Very good. Well done. Now let's start with our reading. Let's start the reading. This is our reading time. Okay, well, first of all, you have to tell me the kids. Yes, there are 7 days. You are right, Kartikesh. Okay, let's start. Okay, what is the sound of this diagram? A. A. What is the sound of this diagram? E. Very good. Well done. Okay, what is the sound of this diagram? I. 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 What is the sound of this sound? Okay. Eyes. The sound of this digraph is eyes. Eyes. Now this is the O sound. When O and W comes together. Okay. Wait. Excuse me, Kartikesh and Maham. Right now, teacher is talking. So what is the rule of our class? When teacher is talking, you have to listen quietly. Okay? Right now, I'm talking, so you have to listen to your teacher. So please listen. This is the O sound. When O and W comes together, when we put the O and W together, it makes the sound O. Which sound it makes? O. Okay. O. Repeat after me. O. O. So what is the sound of this diagram? O. What is the sound of this diagram? Oh, can you? Okay, all of you. On the count of 3, you have to repeat after me. 1, 2, 3. Oh, oh. I want all of you to please repeat after me. Oh, oh. Kartikesh, what is the sound of this diagram? Oh, very good. Well done. So, blow, b, b, l, o, blow. The, s, n, o, snow. B, l, o, blow. The, s, n, o, snow. The first word is L-O. Low. The very good. S-N-O. Snow. Oh, no. Snow. The next word is sh-oh. Show. Do you remember that diagram? SH sounds? Sh. Sh. Oh, show. The next word is b-l-o. Blow. The next, after blow, it's l-o. Slow. L-o. Slow. And the last word is oh, no. This is a sight word. So we will not do this with phonics. No. Okay, the K should be silent in this word, in the last word. No. Okay. First, who is going to read this? Yes, Maham? Can you please read? Very good. Snow. Shh. Oh, show. Shh. Oh, show. Slow. Very good. No. The last word is sight word. You're not going to do it with the phonics. Okay? We will only read it like this. No. 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 Okay. Kartikesh, your turn. Very good, ma'am. Great effort. Okay. Kartikesh, now your turn. Yes, Kartikesh. Can you listen to me? Sorry. Okay, Kartikesh has disconnected. Yeah, okay, Arisha. I'm going to show you. Okay, wait. Uh, okay, Arisha. Can you please tell me what is the sound of this diagram? Oh. Repeat after me, Arisha. Say it. Oh. Very good. Oh, well done. Okay. Now read the word that are written in black. L. Okay, Kartikesh is back. Okay, Kartikesh. Right now, this is Arisha's turn, Kartikesh. So please wait for your turn. Yes, Arisha, can you please repeat after me? L-O, low. Ma'am, let Arisha talk, please. Yes, Arisha, say it. L-O, low. Arisha, can you hear me? Okay, Arisha, let's let the Kartikesh read it first, and after Kartikesh you will read. Okay, listen very carefully what the Kartikesh is reading. Yes, Kartikesh, your turn. Can you please read the word? Can you please start reading, Kartikesh? L-O, low. Read it like this. Low. Very good. Good. Oh, low. Blow. Blow. Very good. No, it's, wait, Kartikesh, it's B-L-O, blow. The next one is S-L-O, slow. No, read the next one, the last one. No, I told you we are not going to read it with the phonics. Kartikesh, we will not read this word with the phonics. This is a sight word. So we read it like no. Okay? We are not going to say no. We just read it like this now. K should be the silent. Okay? K should be the silent in this word. Now. No. No. Okay, Risha? Can you please tell me the sound of this diagraph? Oh, very good. The sound of this diagraph is oh. Okay, Arisha, can you please, right now this is Arisha's turn. So please, both of you stay quiet. Yes, Arisha, can you please read this word? The first one. L-O, low. Okay, Arisha, repeat after me. L-O, low. The next word is oh, snow. Okay. Alisha, will you please tell me what is the sound of the diagraph that we have just learned? Oh, repeat after me, my good girl. Say it. Oh, look, everybody is speaking. You also tell me. Oh, say it. Oh, oh, very good. Oh, good. Oh, okay. Very good. Now what we will do? We are going to do the English. Okay, let's start. It's okay. Okay, let's start with our English word. Okay, right now this is your waiting time. Anybody want to sing a rhyme? Yes? Then sing it. Start. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Start. Excellent. Very good. Yes, Maha? Your turn. Very good. Okay. In today's English class, what will do? Let me show you what we are going to do now. Okay, today we are going to do some more reading. Okay. Okay. In today's class, we are going to read a short story. Teacher is going to read it as the time. We have very less time. We have very short time for the class. So I'm going to read it for you and listen it very carefully, because after this we will do the question answers about this story. So you will read it at home. I just upload it with your worksheet. You will read it at home. Right now I'm going to read it for you, but you listen very carefully. So the title of the, okay, no, listen. The title of the story is 10 out of 10. Come on, darling. Nick put on his black shorts. His mother took his sports bag and put it in the car. Today was trophy day at gymnastics. So what Nick do? Nick put on his black shorts. His mother took his sports bag and put it in the car. Today was trophy day at gymnastics. When they arrived, Nick took off his socks and boots. He ran onto the mat and stood beside Mai. Now all he had to remember was the dance routine. He jumped 3 times and did a forward roll. He was in the right spot for the cartwheel. Nick climbed onto the high beam and skipped. Hop, skip, hop, spin. Now all he had to do was jump off. 3, 2, 1 and yes, a perfect landing. He threw his hands up to finish. Well done. The judges gave him a perfect score. 10 out of 10. So let's do the worksheet. Read the text to find answer to these questions. Who put the sports bag in the car? Okay. You can also find out. Yes, Kartikesh. Who put the... Mom, very good. Let's see. Yes, very good. Well done. His mother took his sports bag and put it in the car. Well done. Who gave Nick a perfect score? Yes, Maha, Arisha, Kartikesh, yes. Who gave him a perfect score? Well done, very good. Judges. Well done, excellent. Now read the sentences below and number them into correct order. The judges gave him a perfect score. It was trophy day at gymnastic. Nick ran onto the mat. So what happened? What comes first? Which sentence comes first? Nick ran onto the mat. Is this one? Or it was trophy day at gymnastic? Yes, very good. This one. It's number 1. So we put the number 1 over here, okay? Like this. Okay, which one come next? The judges gave him a perfect score or Nick ran onto the mat? Which sentence comes next? Nick ran onto the mat or the judges gave him a perfect score? Onto the mat. Excellent job. Very good, Maha. Nick ran onto the mat. So number 2 is this one. We are going to mark it number 2. Very good. Excellent. Okay. So I'm going to read this story once again for you. After that, you will do the reading of this story at home. Okay. The story title is 10 out of 10. Come on, darling. Nick put on his black shorts. His mother took his sports bag and put it in the car. Today was trophy day at gymnastics. When they arrived, Nick took off his socks and boots. He ran onto the mat and stand beside mine. Now all he had to remember was the dance routine. He jumped 3 times and did a forward roll. He was in the right spot for the cartwheel. Nick climbed onto the high beam and skipped. Hop, skip, hop, spin. Now all he had to do was jump off. 3, 2, 1, and yes, a perfect landing. He threw his hands up to finish. Well done. The judges gave him a perfect score. Wow, that's great. Okay. Now, Maha, what is in your hand? Can you please show us? You are too busy to play with it. Can you please show all of us what is in your hand? With your, what is it? No, it was not a book. It's making such a noise. The book doesn't make such a noise. What is that? When you are in the, what are the class rules? When you are in the class, you have to focus on your lessons. Okay? That's like my good girl. Okay, Arisha? Okay, Kartikesh? Okay, this is your, let's do the activity. This is your activity time. All of you bring the scissors for this activity. We need some strips. Scissors, we need scissors, a basket or a tray. Quickly set your stations, Arisha. Please go bring the scissors, a basket or a tray and some paper strips like this. You need 3 paper strips, okay? As you can see in my hand. A pair of scissors. We need a pair of scissors, a tray or a basket. If you don't have a tray or a basket, you can only bring a big plate. And we need, yes, make it. Cut 3 stripes like this. Hello, dear Sari. Yes, you got the page now. Cut the 3 strips like this. And you have to draw, cut the 3 strips like this. 1, 2, and this one is the third one. 3 strips. We need 3 strips. That's very nice. Yes, quickly, Kartikesh. Yes, Arisha. You can ask your mother. She will help you. That's very good because you're a big girl now. Okay. Okay. On first strip, you are going to draw the diagonal lines like this. Yes, very good, Maham. Well done. Great job. Now, Maham, look, listen to me. On one strip, you have to draw the diagonal line like this. As you can see in the camera, a diagonal line. Very good, Arisha. Good job. Great girl. Very good. Now, Arisha, you have to draw the diagonal lines on the strip like this. Okay? It's better to use the black marker. If you don't have the black marker, it's okay. You can draw it with the pencil. Yes, like this. Diagonal line. Now take the other strip, Maham, just put it on the side. Take the other strip and draw the straight lines on it. You can see it in the camera. See it in the see. You can look see it on at your screen. Draw the straight line. Quickly, Kartikesh, we are waiting for you. Kartikesh, you can take any color of paper. Yes, very good. Now on the third one, Maham, on the third one, you have to draw the wavy lines like this. Wavy lines. Okay? So on one strip, we have diagonal lines. On the second strip, we have straight lines. And on the third one, we have wavy lines. Very good, Arisha. Good girl. Well done. Yes, like this. Very good. A star for Arisha and Maham. Very good. Well done. Now, show me your diagonal line strip. Both of you. Diagonal line. Yes. Now take the scissors and cut along the line like this. You have to cut along the line like this. And make sure all the pieces fell into the basket or the tray that you have. Like this. Look, I have the plate. So what? Cut along the line. Very good, Arisha. You are going to do so well. Well done. Yes, Maham, great job. You're doing great job. Cut along the line like this. Very good, Kartikesh. Kartikesh, make 3 strips like this. Kartikesh, very good, Arisha. Well done. Great, well done. Kartikesh, you have to make 3 strips like this. Okay? Very good, Arisha. Put it in the plate. Cut along the line like this. Slowly. And make sure your pieces, paper pieces, fall into the inside the basket or tray. Very good. You have done with diagonal line. Now you have to cut on the straight lines. And on straight lines, cut along the lines like this. Collect all your paper pieces inside the basket or tray, whatever you have right now with you. Yes, Kartikesh, you have cut. Very good. Well done. Now, Kartikesh, draw diagonal lines on one strip like this. Diagonal lines on one strip. Very good, Maham. Excellent job. Very good, Arisha. Excellent. Both of you doing so well. Yes, no, the wavy one. These are the wavy. It's a little bit tricky, but you can do it. Look, slowly along. Like, yes, with the center of the scissors. Like this. Yes, you just have to follow the line. You have to follow the line. Just cut along the line. Look how teacher is cutting along the line. Yes, Arisha. Very good. You're doing so well. Yes, Kartikesh. Have you done with the straight lines? No, you have to draw the. Very good. Well done, Kartikesh. No, you have to done the wavy line. No, draw the wavy lines on the third strip. Look at your screen, Kartikesh. Wavy lines. These are the wavy lines. Okay. Now you have to draw the wavy lines. Yes, Arisha. Have you done with your diagonal lines? Have you cut this strip, the diagonal lines? Yes, if you have done, just nod your head like this. Now, the wavy lines. Okay, you are about to finish. That's very good. What about you, Arisha? Have you done with your activity? Or are you about to finish? Very good. Great. Great job. Maham, well done. You're doing so well. Well done, Arisha. Okay. Kartikesh, now you have to cut along the lines. Take the scissors, take your scissors and cut along the line. Very good. Excellent, Maham. Very good. A star for Maham. All of you, please clap for Maham. Kartikesh, you have to cut along the lines like this. Look at your screen. Like this. Okay? Cut along the line. And put all the pieces into the plate. Okay, Arisha, dear, can you please show me your plate or your dish or basket, whatever you have. This is my tray. Look, this is how you have to keep all the pieces in. Show it to me, Arisha. Yes, very good, Maham, like this. Yes, Arisha, please show it to me. Arisha, where is your basket or tray? Okay, Kat? Okay, very good, excellent job. Okay, Arisha, this is for you. This star is for you. All of you, please clap for Arisha because she did the activity very well. Very good. Well done. Everybody, please clap for Arisha. Okay, yes, Kartikesh, have you done with your activity? Okay. Did you cut the straight diagonal line strip? Okay, just show it to me. How you cut? Just show it to me. How you cutting it? Very good. Very nice. Just show me the plate or the basket, whatever you have. All the pieces should be in the basket. Inside the basket, okay? And please, all of you, don't waste this paper, okay? Just keep it safe. Because after a few days, we will do the collage with it. We will do the collage art. Very good. Well done, Kartikesh. So don't waste it. Just put it in a plastic bag and save it. Very good, very good. All of you, please everybody clap for Kartikesh. Arisha, Maham, please clap. Clap for Kartikesh. Yes, Arisha. Okay. No, this is our math class time. Let us do what we have to do in the math today. Okay, in math we are doing today height and length. So what is length and how to measure it? The word length is used to measure how long an object is. For example, the length of a mat, the length of the chair, the length of the classroom floor, the length of the blackboard, the length of the wardrobe. So what is length and how to measure it? The word length is used to measure how long an object is. Length of the, for example, the length of the pencil, the length of the ruler, the length of the pen, the length of the bed. It is also used to measure distance. So the length is also used to measure the distances. For example, distance from your home to school, distance between two cities, distance between two countries. So this is what the length called. Okay? Okay, Kartikesh and Maha? Let's do the worksheet. Length and height. So what is the length? Length is used to measure how long an object is. And you know there is 100 centimeter in 1 meter. How many centimeters are there in 1 meter? 100 centimeters. How many centimeters are there in 1 meter? Well done, very good. Yes, Kartikesh, how many centimeters are there in 1 meter? Very good. Yes, Arisha, how many centimeters are there in 1 meter? 100 centimeter. There are 100 centimeter in 1 meter. Okay? So, what is the, look, compare this using meters and centimeters. As you can see in the worksheet, this is a stool. The height of the stool is 1 to 8 centimeters. So tell me how many meters will be there? Look, there is no look, we have 128 centimeters. So 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. Look, let me show it to you. Look, 128 centimeter means 128 centimeter means there is 100 and 28 centimeters. This is how we will write this. Yes, Mahaman Kartikesh? Yes, 120 centimeters. So how many meters are there? 100 centimeter is equals to? Yes, Kartikesh, Arisha and Mahan? No. 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter. How many meters are there? No, 1 meter. Look, there are 128 centimeter. So it means there is 1 meter and 28 centimeters over here. How many centimeters are there? 28 centimeters. Because this stands for meters now. Look, 100 centimeters make 1 meter. 100 centimeters make, yes, 1 meter. And 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equals to, how many centimeters are there in 1 meter? Okay, wait class. Let me wait. I will do it on the whiteboard for you. Start a new whiteboard. Okay. Okay, just leave it. Okay, just tell me. 1 meter, yes, you mom. 1 meter is equals to how many centimeters? How many centimeters are there in 1 meter? How many centimeters are there in 1 meter? Very good, very good. 100. 100 centimeters. And how many meter are in 100 centimeter? How many meter it will make? When there is no, wait, Maham. If there are 100 centimeter, it means there is 1 meter. Kartikesh, am I right? Yes, Adisha? Am I right? If there is 100 centimeter, it makes 1 meter. 100 centimeter makes 1 meter. Yeah, and how many centimeters are there in 1 meter? Yes, Kartikesh and Maham. How many centimeters are there in 1 meter? How many centimeters? No. 100 centimeter. There are 100 centimeter in 1 meter. Very good. Well done. Okay, the class time is over now. I will see you tomorrow. Okay, bye-bye. Bye, Arisha. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Kartikesh. Take care. See you tomorrow.